Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Annette, and last year I bought a boat together with this one. This is Oscar. Today we're gonna cozy up the cabin. In a previous video I already painted the top half of the cabin white because it was an ugly shade of grey and yuck. And today the lower half of the cabin will be lined with felt because I visualized waking up on the boat in the morning and then having condensation water and cold fiberglass right next to me. Didn't really do it for me, so today we're gonna make it cozy by adding felt to that part of the cabin. I'm putting up the curtains again so that you can't really see that I don't currently have windows. And then maybe even put in the mattresses and look at what it would look like if we pretended that my boat was on the water and I could actually sleep on it and have a good time. So this video was supposed to go up 3 weeks ago. This video was supposed to be shot 3 weeks ago, but the weather just wasn't nice enough, and not just not nice enough, it wasn't warm enough. The felt has a sticky side, and the sticky side needed at least 10 degrees Celsius to dry. And the last 2 weekends, I think we had highs of like 5 and 4 degrees, so by far not enough. And I couldn't post any videos. Can't go up here on a weekday because I am working. This is not my job. I'm not making any money with my boat. Quite on the contrary. But I am doing it today. I'm gonna do it right now, right after I show you how much Oscar's enjoying the spring. Hey, Husky. This is my felt in this long roll. The first thing I'm gonna do is to cut it up into bite-sized pieces, and by bite-sized I mean fitting the cabin. This part is gonna be felted, and so are these walls, but I'm not gonna do it today probably because I still have to readjust the charger and this thing and this thing, and so I'm gonna start with this part today. Something you might not know about me is I love miniature small versions of regular sized things. I guess you could have guessed by the size of my boat, but yesterday I went to the hardware store and I bought a measuring, it's not a tape, this thing. It is so tiny. It's 1 meter and it flexes at 10 centimeter intervals instead of 30, which I think is the regular size. So this is perfect for a boat where you might have to measure tiny little places. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna measure the cabin. Okay, I'm gonna take these 2 pieces that I just cut off, take them on board with me, and then we're gonna start the prepping process that I'm gonna show you on board. Okay, prepping means take your good old cleaning alcohol and rub rub the surface clean. It looks pretty nice. It's super nice and soft, and it sticks really, really well. At least I had the impression when I put it on there. I'm gonna see how long it lasts, but yeah, it seems to stick very well, and it also stretches. It stretches around grooves like this and little stupid screws up here. Yeah. So let's do the rest real quick. So guys, it's been a minute. My fingers are cracked. I have sticky stuff all over my hands. It's been a long afternoon. To be honest, I'm a little disappointed with how the liner, the felt liner, turned out. It's very, very obvious where I had transitions in most places. I have watched more than one video on how to get good transitions between two pieces of felt. Good meaning invisible, and my transitions are definitely visible. I'm gonna show you the two worst offenders in just a second. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not blown away, you know. I worked on another project today and I was just surprised and amazed by how well everything turned out, and I can't say the same for this. I'm still gonna show you. Just be warned, it definitely looks like a felt beginner did it, because that's what I am. Let's start with the good part. So I can definitely say that it's a very stretchy material. It molds around bulges like this, and it gets into this little nook very, very nicely. And then we get to this part. Yeah, I tried everything that I've seen in YouTube tutorials. It's just not looking very nice, especially here. I don't know, I might have to go over it again one more time. I was just frustrated at this point, and then I gave up. Hope you're enjoying the Bavarian evening bells. It turned out a lot better on this side because I had a little more practice, so you can barely see the transitions that I had on this side, and this is what I expected it to look like. So I'm pretty happy with this, but then we just have to ignore this. Yeah, I screwed up even worse actually on this side by measuring wrong, and then now having a little whoopsie. But the mattress hides it perfectly, so you can't even see it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It matches the fabric almost. It's not the same beige, but whatever. I think it looks good with the white and the blue of the curtain. And so now I'm gonna put all the curtains up, and I'm gonna switch the lights on, and then we're gonna look at the whole thing. Okay guys, I'm done for today, in every sense of the word. I am so tired, fingers just dried out. And the cabin is done, I guess. It is, well, it's done for now. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So, we've got the mattress in, we've got the felt in, we've got the painted roof, got the nice curtains.
think a mistake that I keep making is that I just keep going working on the boat because I have so much fun. It's so much fun for me, and I'm just so I'm in the flow or in the zone or whatever you call it, and then I usually don't notice when I get really, really hungry or really, really tired. And usually the only way that I notice that I need to take a break is when I make mistakes. And sometimes I try to push through those mistakes and fix them while I need a break, and then I make it worse. And I just have to get better at noticing when I need a break, when I need to just not work on the boat for a second and clear my mind and come back with a fresh mind and fresh ideas and being more focused and just not making mistakes that I usually wouldn't make. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you got something out of it. I have linked a couple of videos that I use for inspiration for this project in my description box, so please check them out. The next episode is probably gonna be something electronics related, or even putting in the windows, but I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the exterior of the boat. The problem is, if I want to put in the windows, I have to either polish the boat and then keep it the way it looks right now, or paint it on the outside, which is gonna be a huge project, and I really just want to take it out on the water, and this might have to wait until next winter. I don't know yet, so I'm gonna keep you updated on that. And yeah, I hope you have a nice week. Get crafty, do something that makes you happy. I've been listening to a podcast. I might also link it down below as a just random recommendation, and he ends his podcasts with be compassionate to yourself, be compassionate to others. And I think that's such a nice quote. So I'm gonna leave you with that, and I'll see you whenever I had time and nice weather to work on the boat again. Bye.